Hey guys, namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Tutor Pratik. Today, we are going to learn while we're recording our screen how to zoom in and zoom out or draw the lines where we need or type any text. So guys, let's start. So first of all, you need one tool to be downloaded and installed in the system. For that, go to my website. There is a download link. You can find the download link in my video's description. Over there, you will find one tool called Zoom It and download this tool by clicking on the download button. And you will be redirected to the Microsoft Docs website. That from that you can download the Zoom It. After downloading the Zoom It tool, open it and install it. After then, you installed your Zoom It in your system. Now you are ready to use it. Whenever you are recording your screen, just press Ctrl 1 where you want to zoom in. Point the cursor and press Ctrl 1. And whenever you move your cursor, the zoom will be pointed on that direction, and you can press ESC for return back to the normal. Similarly, when you want to draw lines or want to circle any points that you want to indicate, you can use Ctrl 2. Then your pointer will be changed with this red cross mark. Then where you want to circle it, you can draw whatever you want. If you want to type any text while you are in this drawing mode, press T letter in the keyboard. Then you will get the cursor, and where you want to type, just click it and type what you want. This tool is useful for any recorder you have installed in your system. In this way, you can draw or zoom in, zoom out, or type anything else you want while recording your screen. And if you want to cancel the edits, then just press ESC button. And if you want the same things while you are printing your screen, you can install the another tool just listed on the same download page. The link is in the description of our video. Here is the another tool, Light Shot Print Screen. Just hit the download button and download the Light Screen Print Screen tool into your system. Either your system is Windows or Mac, you can choose. Then install it. I have already installed it in my system, so I am just skipping this process for installation. Now, after installation this tool, you will be able to edit your print screen sizes or changes some make edits. Just press print screen button in your keyboard. Then you can drag which region you want to print the screen only. You can resize the screen area that you want to print. After then, if you want to make some draw, you can use the pencil tool, or if you want to draw any line, you can use this line tools. Or arrow, it is used for point anything else, and this rectangle to highlight some portions and just give the arrow to the portion. And if you want to type any text, there is a text tool. You can click the text tool and click wherever you want to type, and you can type the text. And then what you want to do with this print screen, you can directly upload to the cloud and send to the link where you want, or direct share to the social networks, or print directly, or just copy it and paste where you want. Or if you want to save as a file, just click on the save, and the selected region with the drawings you did will be saved where you want in your system. Thank you for watching the video. We will come again with new tips and tricks videos. So till then, take care, goodbye.